awesome day to you. Welcome back to my channel, and Esmeralda here, and today we're off for another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you my secret how I maintained a pimple-free skin. So if you're interested, make sure first to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Let's go now to the video. So one of my secrets on how I maintained a clear and pimple-free skin is that I am using an ice. Yes po, ice. 2 pesos na ice that I bought sa Tiangge. You can use skin icing every day, but for me, nagde-depend lang talaga sa mood ko. But I'd like it to do it every other day, especially if may time ako bumili ng ice. So yeah, this is only for 2 pesos. And advantage ito para sa iyo if you have freezer at home or nag-overnight or nagme-make talaga kayo ng ice. So advantage sa iyo, best. So for me, ako bumibili lang ako sa Tiangge because our ref is not on for 24 hours. So bumibili lang ako sa Tiangge for only 2 pesos. Yung half na yon is nilalagay ko sa aking iced coffee at yung half naman para sa aking skin. Yes, tama yung narinig mo sa skin ko. I'll tell you the benefits of skin icing. So this is just my personal observation. This is just my opinion. So benefits of skin icing for me, number 1, it smoothens my face. After ko maglagay ng ice sa aking face, all over my face in a circular motion, para mafe-feel mo na konting very light lang na numbness, pero after you're done applying ice on your skin, mafe-feel mo talaga na nagsusmooth yung skin mo, parang nag-glow. Number 2 naman, it reduces oil from my skin. Yes, it reduces oil. Bakit nga ba? So, as a person here in the Philippines, marami talagang babae or individuals, boy or girl, na nag-oil up. It's normal that your body produces oil, but there are some talaga na sobra-sobra yung pa-produce ng oil, especially sa skin nila, sa T-zone, sa nose area, or dito sa my chin area. There are some talaga na oily yung skin type nila. As for me, mabilis talagang mag-oil up yung skin ko. So, I tend to use this ice all over my face para naman mag-close yung pores ko at hindi siya ganun ka-oily. Kumbaga, number 3, it tightens your pores. Kasi, in a normal day, just my opinion, parang mafe-feel mo talaga yung pores mo nag-o-open, especially if mainit, if warm yung temperature. That's just my observation. So, when you go out to work, when you travel, when you walk, the area is polluted or yung hangin hindi ganun ka-clean. So, your face or the dirt tends to stay on your face. So, mas mabuti ng before ka umalis or before you go to work, before you go to an event, or you put ice on your skin for 1 to 2 minutes para naman mag-tight yung pores mo. Number 4 is that it adds glow to your skin. So, sa mga taong gumagamit ng jade rollers, I know makaka-relate kayo. So, as for me, I'm using an ice on my face. So, I feel there is radiance and nag-glow yung skin ko. So, number 5, it prevents pimple. Why? Because as your pores are being tightened, so, if close yung pores mo, hindi siya open or hindi malaki. Sa mga babae, may menstrual period, normal lang na may konting hormonal imbalance at nagbe-break out talaga. Sa akin naman, I just use ice to soothe. As for me, I don't want na yung face ko magli-leave ng scars. I suggest you use ice on your face para hindi magkaroon ng scars. Okay, so number 6, it soothes sunburn or redness. So, di ba, kung sa iba, if ma-feel mo na may heat yung face mo or nag-redness ka, mag-apply ka ng ice on your face or do a cold compress. Lastly, it boosts your blood circulation. Na manonotice mo talaga na parang may proper blood circulation all over my face. So, those are the 7 benefits of skin icing. Yung iba naniniwala na pag maglalagay ng ice, maglalighten yung skin. But as for me, I really believe na kung gumagamit ka ng ice or you do the skin icing, it makes your face really glow up, nag-radiant yung skin mo. And so just a tip, you can use skin icing for 1 to 2 minutes on your skin. Huwag mong stay sa isang area because you will feel somewhat yung heat. But yeah, you can apply directly onto your skin or pwede kang gumamit ng cloth, i-wrap mo ng cloth and then ilagay mo sa face mo. But for me, just to be honest, nilalagay ko talaga directly sa aking skin. Of course, important talaga na mag-wash ka ng face every time, especially when you feel that there's dirt on your face. It's important talaga to maintain a clean face. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some tip on how I maintain my clear skin. If you have suggestions on what videos should I make when it comes to skin or makeup, make sure first to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated, and just comment on the comment section what your suggestions are. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye, lovies!